Hello everyone, my name is FEBRI DJAMIL ARIYANTO and I am from D3 Mechanical Engineering from Polytechnic of FEBRI Jakarta. So I would like to put some interesting video. But first start the music. No, another music. No, please, another music. Why I have this editor, please? Okay, another music. Okay, nice. Thank you. Okay, let's start the video.
Introduce myself. My name is Gama Valid.
No, this video. Another person. Me. You. Me, editor. Nice. First, I will explain you about this. This is a sugarcane. Okay, sugarcane in bahasa Indonesia is mean tebu. It's a plant grow as raw material for sugar and MSG. This plant can only grow in tropical climate. This plant in type of grass. The age of plant from planting until it can be harvested reach approximately 1 year. In Indonesia, sugarcane widely cultivated on the island of Java and Sumatra. This is a sugarcane milling machine. If you like let's like that. Okay, I will describe it. A sugarcane press is a tool that functions as squeeze sugarcane for produce a sap. In a sugar company, sugarcane press is needed in running its business. The sugarcane squeezer that exists when only the company or certain entrepreneur who own it. And the tool or machine is very efficient and optimal because in terms of material and ways of working, it is very complicated, so that many small companies who wish to develop a business made from sugarcane are harbored in trouble. Today, many small entrepreneurs cannot afford the design or buy to sugarcane squeezer because its cost is quite expensive. That's a problem. So the process grinding the sugarcane press aims to take the excess sap in the sugarcane as much as possible, separating the juice from the pulp, and as well as weighing the raw sap before entering the purification process. On this unit is expected to produce sap the maximum raw and drink the minimum possible based on 3 milk fruit that from a triangle where it is between the front and the rear rollers. Is a milling line that can be back and forward the distance, while the upper roll are the one static, which tool dimension like 46 centimeters and long 284 centimeter, and the speed rotation is 3.5 until 7 rpm. A type of self-seating tool cylinder, number of tool per unit, and capacity milling 3,000 tons of sugarcane. As for the factor activating the result milking sugarcane is milling unit. So the working principle of the sugarcane squeezer machine is the sugarcane squeezer machine use a cross roll push purpose to exert pressure on the sugarcane stalk. This opposite roll rotate opposite each other in order to press the sugarcane stalk for processing, suppress and bake meal. For optimal result, a gap spacer is used, a roll or clearance which used to separate the sap for sugarcane stalk, must destroy the sugarcane stem seal in such a way that the sap comes out and separates with other sugarcane parts. One them by doing emphasis against the sugarcane. Based on the method, the sugarcane press is used interlocking roll in the pair to do pressure on the sugarcane stalk by making use the round which is forward. That's my video or my perform to describe or to explain sugarcane milling machine. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video, and don't forget to eat. See you. Bye bye.